What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a topic that is absolutely crucial for anyone looking to make a career in game development. Building a core gameplay loop that not only keeps players engaged but also drives a profit. Whether you're an indie game dev or looking to build the next smash hit, building a core gameplay loop is essential for your success. Let's dive right in. First things first, what exactly is a core gameplay loop? It's a sequence of actions players repeat over and over in a game. Essentially, it's the heart of your game, what players will spend most of their time doing. A strong core loop keeps players hooked, ensures they come back, and ultimately keeps the cash flowing. To build a compelling core gameplay loop, you need to focus on 4 essential components: objectives, actions, rewards, and feedback. Let's break these down and see why each one is not just important, but crucial for making your game a financial success. Objectives. These are the goals you set for your players. These can be short-term, like finishing a level, or long-term, like building an empire. Clear objectives gives players a reason to play and keeps them coming back for more. Actions. These are tasks players need to perform to achieve their objectives. Actions need to be fun and engaging, but also varied enough to avoid repetition fatigue. Think about activities like gathering resources, battling enemies, and solving puzzles. Rewards. Players need to feel like their actions are meaningful. Rewards can range from in-game currency and upgrades to new levels and story progression. Effective rewards create a sense of achievement and incentivize players to keep on playing and, of course, paying. Feedback. This lets players know how they're doing. It can be through sound effects, visual cues, or progress bars. Feedback is what makes the loop feel satisfying and also gives the players a sense of control and mastery. Let's take a look at how these elements all work together in some popular games. In Stardew Valley, for example, the objective might be to grow your farm and to build relationships. The actions include planting crops, mining, and interacting with NPCs. Rewards are the harvest, money, and story progression. Feedback comes in the form of growing plants, NPC reactions, and unlocking new content as you progress. Now, why is this loop so essential if you want to become a full-time game developer? Well, a good core loop keeps players engaged and coming back for more. And when players are engaged, they're more likely to spend money, whether it's on in-app purchases, expansions, or simply just recommending your game to others. This is how your game generates revenue over time. Think of it like this. The core loop is the engine that drives player engagement. High engagement leads to high retention, which means players stick around longer. And the longer they play, the more opportunities for monetization, whether that be through direct purchases or in-game ads. But it's not just about keeping them playing. It's about evolving the loop to keep it interesting. Add new challenges, introduce new objectives, and offer new rewards that align with player progression. A dynamic loop adapts as players grow, so they don't feel like they've ever beaten your game too early. For example, in a game like Clash of Clans, objectives might involve simple base building. As the game progresses, objectives shift to more complex tasks like defending against other players and joining in clan wars. This keeps the gameplay loop fresh and engaging and encourages players to invest more time and money. Finally, let's talk about iteration and testing. A good core gameplay loop isn't just designed, it's refined. Play test your game, gather feedback, and don't be scared to make changes. The best loops are often the result of countless iterations. Remember, every tweak you make to the core gameplay loop should enhance player engagement. Whether it's adjusting the difficulty, refining the rewards, or adding new gameplay elements, each improvement you make can increase the player's retention and ultimately your game's profitability. To wrap it up, a strong core gameplay loop is the foundation for a successful game. It's what keeps players engaged, drives retention, and fuels your game's ability to generate a profit. So if you're serious about becoming a full-time game dev, mastering this concept is essential. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more game dev tips. And also let me know in the comments below, what's your favorite game and what makes that game's core gameplay loop so compelling. So I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace out.